Hi, and welcome to the series, The Windows IT Pro Stories. My name is Hajat Alwal. I'm a product marketing manager for Windows Commercial at Microsoft. I'm speaking with IT professionals to learn and understand their experiences of Windows 11. I have with me an IT professional, Mattias Melkersen. Welcome, Mattias.
Oh, thank you very much, Hajit. Nice to be here. So yes, my name is Mattias Melkersen. I'm from Denmark, and I've been in this profession for like 18 years, I guess. Starting off automating software and doing a lot of deployment of the Windows OS.
Excellent. That's great. Yeah, it's good to have you. So let's dive right into Windows 11, right? And so you're a subject matter expert. You've been working with Windows 11 for quite some time. You're helping manage that as well. You're a Microsoft MVP. So tell me, what's your take on Windows 11?
I must say, I embrace Windows 11 because the UI, I love it.
And I love the modern UI. It's all about modernization, and especially for hybrid work, right? That's the situation we're in right now, and it's going to be here for years to come. So we have to, I guess, embrace and make sure everybody can be productive and secured, right?
Yeah, definitely. Windows 11 is the most secure system ever built by Microsoft. So why not embrace it? I mean, now in these COVID days, we've been used to work from home, and security is a whole another aspect now. It's the identity, it's the device itself, where normally that would be perimeter, network, and inside your corporation, etc. That's not how it works anymore. Now we need the two-factor on your identity, and you need strong identifications that your device is actually who it says it is. And with Windows 11 and the Microsoft Pluton hardware, we can get a much more sophisticated security. So definitely, and with the demands on the TPM version 2 and Secure Boot, and yeah, I think we should definitely go Windows 11.
How are you helping other IT professionals to understand about Windows 11 in terms of how to upgrade, maintain, and keep them secured, as well as like organizations to do so?
In an enterprise environment, that would normally go by the Microsoft Endpoint Manager system. That could be Configuration Manager, having vSOS and on-prem systems delivering this, or it could be the more modern way of managing Windows and use Microsoft Intune. So I definitely prefer using Microsoft Intune, and here I need to say that we onboard to another service called Windows Update for Business Deployment Services, and from here we actually get this modernized way of upgrading our devices. And I've tried it many times, and it just works. And if there's something I don't want to screw around with, is the end users' computers, because it needs to go fast and they hate to wait.
Yeah, so you hit a few things on the point right there. Obviously, Endpoint Manager, a great tool, great solution to help modernize and upgrade and stuff. You hit another one is like, it just works. It is not difficult at all. It just works. And also another key aspect here is to keep the end users' experiences intact, right? It's not to disrupt them, not to change, too much in their, what they are used to. So this is really great feedback. Any tips and tricks that you'd like to share with your fellow IT pros in terms of Windows 11? Any specific features and things like that?
Yeah, first trick I would say is to remove the built-in Teams client, because it can be somewhat difficult for the end user to know which one to use, if it's the one from the Microsoft 365 Apps Enterprise or the built-in, which is for private use. That would be maybe the first trick. The other trick is that when we sit and have these conversations over Teams, now I want to show you something, Hajit, and I share my screen. So normally I will go to the Teams client, I will share the screen there, But in Windows 11, we got a new feature actually. So I could hover out over my mouse in the start menu, and I would actually be able to see a share icon. And when I click on that share icon, Teams will automatically take that application and share it on my screen.
So finally, like, what's your advice and why would you recommend Windows 11 to IT professionals and organizations?
Yeah, for organizations, I would say the usability of Windows 11 is quite amazing. The team really did a very great job of simplifying. For example, that's why I like to transition people or companies from Configuration Manager to Intune. It simplifies their management. It's like going from Windows 10 to Windows 11. It simplifies the accessibility, and if you go to the file browser, for example, you have a lot less actions. So it's not cluttered up. So yeah, and then I must say one thing is really good about Windows 11 is actually the estimate of how long will it take for my device to reboot. That function, I tell you, everyone will like it.
Hey, I really want to thank you for being here, for sharing your thoughts and insight on Windows 11. And thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you, Harjit. Thank you for the compliments, and my pleasure.